Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how garlic is good for weight loss, its benefits and a simple recipe using garlic that you can eat every day. Let us start. Garlic or lehsun is necessary in Indian kitchens that are very nutritious and suitable for weight loss. Moreover, it works as a medicine that burns the belly fat and helps in detoxification by removing all the toxins, thus improving the process of digestion. If you are taking garlic every day, it will give you a feeling of fulfillment that directly suppresses your diet, therefore avoid overeating. It keeps you fit by burning the extra calories and stored fat, thus helps in boosting energy. Regular consumption of garlic helps in boosting metabolism and improves immunity. Now let us see how garlic is beneficial for you. Garlic, a powerhouse of nutrition, works well when eaten raw every day and shows miraculous results on crushing. Keeping at room temperature for 10 minutes after crushing fresh garlic produces an enzyme that was present in the plant. On the contrary, the enzymes destroy if used immediately after crushing that helps to boost your health and keeps you fit and be beautiful. Few benefits are, it helps to lose weight and burns the belly fat. Garlic helps in reducing blood pressure. It protects the blood vessels, thus lowering the chances of heart disease. Garlic is rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, fiber. It helps in maintaining the blood cholesterol level. Regular consumption also improves testosterone levels. It protects you from premature aging, any disease and inflammation. Now let's see how garlic promotes weight loss. Researchers prove that if you are eating garlic daily, you will lose weight effectively by the secretion of excessive urine from your body. In other words, you are losing fat through the process of excretion. You can start consuming raw garlic with water every day or can make a drink with garlic, lemon juice in warm water for burning fat and promoting weight loss. Now let's see how to make a simple garlic chutney that you may eat every day. Here is a simple method for preparing garlic chutney that is very tasty and tangy flavor and may consume every day for snacks and the main meals too. Let us note down the ingredients first. For this you need 5 Kashmiri red chilies, half cup garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh coriander, 1 inch ginger, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, pinch of asafoetida, salt to taste, 3 tablespoon oil. Now let's see how to prepare a simple garlic chutney. Firstly, before preparing, remove the seeds from the Kashmiri chilies and soak in water for 2 hours. Peel the garlic, chop the coriander and ginger, tear the curry leaves and keep it aside. Now, heat the pan with half tablespoon oil. Add the garlic and cook in a low flame for 1 minute. When garlic turns golden brown, add ginger pieces and mix well. After 30 seconds, add the cumin seeds. As it sizzles, add the soaked Kashmiri chilies without the water. Cook for another 1 minute. Add coriander and mix well. Switch off the flame and transfer the mixture into the blender. Blend only at room temperature and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add cumin seeds. When it starts to sizzle, add mustard seeds and curry leaves too. Add the blended chili paste and mix well. Then add salt and asafoetida and mix well. If your chutney is thick and sticking in the pan, add 2 tablespoons of water and cook for another 1 minute. The chutney is ready, that may be served immediately or stored in an airtight container. You may store in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 days and consume as you like it. I hope the information was beneficial for you and you may start eating garlic every day and get a flap-free body. Thank you.